Now, in this video, we are going to take up one more type of load acting on the cantilever beam, which is a couple. So, draw the SFD and BMD for a cantilever beam with a couple at the free end. So, this is the cantilever beam wherein one end is fixed A and the other end is free, where the clockwise couple M is acting on the beam. So, there is no other load which is acting on the beam. So, naturally, you are going to have the clockwise bending. So this MA will going to be the reactive moment which is acting in the opposite direction or counterclockwise direction. So figure shows a cantilever beam capital AB of length L fixed at A and carries a clockwise couple M at the free end B. So what are the reactions of the support or the fixed end? As sigma H is equal to 0, as there is no horizontal load on the beam, so RAH will be equal to 0. Similarly, as there is no sigma V will be equal to 0, as there is no vertical load is also acting on the beam because only the couple is acting. So RAV will be equal to 0. So taking the moments about the point A, sum of the clockwise moment will be equal to the sum of the counterclockwise moment. So that is here, this is the counterclockwise moment, which is minus MA will be plus M will be equal to 0. So therefore, MA will be equal to M, which is in the counterclockwise direction because of the reactive couple M. So now we will take the shear force into the consideration. So what is the shear force? As there is no vertical force is acting on the beam, so therefore the shear force is 0 throughout. So there is no shear force diagram. So when you are considering the bending moment, so what happens at every section of XX, if you are considering the section at this point, so again you are going to have a clockwise couple. Again the beam will going to bend in hogging. So again when you take the section at this point, again you are going to have the clockwise couple. So naturally it will be minus M. So therefore at every cross section the value of the bending moment will be equal to minus M. So therefore, as the bending moment is negative, as the moment that is couple taken from the right of the section is clockwise, and the bending moment is hogging, due to couple alone, there is no shear force in the cantilever. So this will going to be the 0, and this point is also 0, that is AB, and since it is minus M, so from 0 you plot this as minus M, and also at this point you take it as minus M. So you will going to, when you join this, you will going to get a rectangle. So this is the bending moment diagram for a cantilever beam, which is fixed at one end A, and the other end at B will going to have a clockwise couple. This is how you will be able to analyze this problem. Thank you.